That Nigeria family that just returned back from America and start acting like they own the world.
5 on 5 sessions. Breathe in and breathe out 18 times. We are jogging to US.
MTV chose for the top 40 music videos of the 1980s according to their Roundup episode from November 1989 and found at
Gridlock is dead. We are checking our... My kids. Shut up. You guys are quiet. Black monkeys. Shift away from my children. I want to take a family reunion. Come on, stay here. We need to take a family reunion. This is our last week in Nigeria.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the...
Do you like the soprano? I'm going to take you to Olympic. Wow. Yeah, I'll register you for basketball. I'm going to come like a Jackson about it. Oh, shall we? Yeah. We have to meditate. Now let's meditate. Let's meditate. Let's meditate. Meditation time.
Wale, I'm the one receiving money
no,
today.
It's my turn today.
I'm the one receiving money today. Morgan, Wale, I'm the one receiving money today.
It's my turn.
I'm the one receiving money today.
It's my turn.
You guys want to scam me?
No.
I promise you blue passports now.
Oh, shall we?
I have a lot of dollars. Don't worry,
turn.
I'm going to give you guys. She's the one that used to ride me well.
But it's my turn.
It's
You're
my
giving
turn.
her.
Cash the dollars. Cash the dollars.
It's my turn.
Look at this dude.
Morgan Wale, you got me fucked up.
My wife.
Huh? You think you're slick? I can't do this shit. I'm taking the first flight to America.
They're running after me.
Don't call me, but you think you fun shit? Boy, get the fuck out.
Running after me.
Get the fuck out of here, boy.
Melino, Ricky. They're running after me.
Oh, Jesus.
Jesus, bring my dollars. For me. Selena Gomez, come on now.
Boy, please.
Talk to me now.
No.
You can see a lot of candle here, but now you are one handle.
Oh no, God, you know.
No. Why would you even talk to those girls?
I told you.
We just came and you spraying all the money that we don't even have.
They're after my dollars.
Yeah, you got a lot of dollars, huh?
They're after my dollars.
Boy,
I'm not gonna do that anymore.
I hope so. You better not.
Yo, when we go to grocery shopping in the US, I'm gonna take you out for shopping.
That's what I'm talking about.
I promise you. Come and give me a hug.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, bro, go play PS2 inside. We're taking a walk. Oh, shall we? Yo, take your sister's shots.
Dad, what is this? What is this? What is this?
This?
Yes.
This is Lot's wife.
Lot what?
Yeah, God told her not to turn back, then she disobeyed. She thought to red salt.
Jesus!
That's why y'all need to listen.
Yes.
When me and your father talk to you, y'all listen, okay?
Let me observe.
You all listen.
Yes.
I told you. We have 3 minutes. We are going to the US.
Y'all stay
Calm down, peeps.
It's okay, son. It's okay. Children, we have a little something we're gonna share for y'all. You understand what I'm saying?
You talk, mama.
Baby, please explain to them.
Yeah, I want to share bread and shoes to the black monkeys. Repeat after me.
I want to share bread and shoes to the black monkeys.
Are you ready to see the shoe? Do you want to have issue? What's wrong with you? Do you want to have issue?
No.
What's wrong with you? Share the shoe for them. I promise your mother $5. Yo.
Yes, mama. You're supposed to give me first. I senior on.
Take the shoe.
Y'all calm down.
I'm senior now. I never give you senior. I'm senior.
It's charity day. Say it's charity day.
Black monkeys enjoy.
It's charity day.
Black